Hey guys, it's Catherine and welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to show you what I brought back from ESI a couple weeks ago. So let's jump in.
So as you can see, I brought quite a lot of goodies, even though I had to speed shop at the show because most of my time I was at the BioSeaweed Gel booth with my amazing BSG squad. Now, to be honest, I would still have done most of my shopping at the BioSeaweed Gel booth, so that was just perfect. Not everything is nail related, but I still wanted to show you the complete haul that I brought back. For starters, I got myself 3 bath bombs from a company called Bathorium. I also got one of their Crush bath soak, but this one I already used and I really enjoyed it. It really was relaxing. The first one is called Sabai and it's an energizing bath bomb. The second one is also an energizing one and its little name is Morning Sunshine. To finish with the last one, which is a lavender bath bomb, and of course it is a relaxing one. Then from the Jellyfit booth, I got a couple of crystals. I just thought they were so beautiful and so shiny that I really had to get them. My next step was at the Magic Gel System booth. I had heard from a friend that they had a really nice ombre brush, which I really needed to get my hands on. So from them, I ended up getting 2 different brushes. So of course, the first one is their famous ombre brush. And then I got a super tiny liner brush to try and practice my freehand nail art. Then you might think I'm funny, but I got a bunch of little transparent jars to organize all my crystals and glitters because I love to have everything looking the same in my drawers. Now from my favorite BioSeaweed Gel, I got a refill kit for their Diamond Shine top coat, which you can see my review about in another one of my videos. Then I got myself another bottle of Artiste, which is what I used to do my beautiful flowers on my nails. Now let's jump in the beautiful colors I got from BSG. First we have number 199 Emerald, a beautiful dark green glitter with a little touch of silver. Next, number 106 Babe. And then we have number 246 Orange Crush. Followed by number 245, I'm going backwards, Orange Sherbet, which is pretty similar to Orange Crush, but with a little touch of shimmer in it. Next up, we have Tropical Sun, and I can assure you the camera does not do justice to this color. It is so bright. It is truly the perfect color for summer. Then comes number 198, Fancy Me, a beautiful grayish purple with silver glitters. This one is number 214, Jade. Then number 207, Lime. Now to me, this one, Sunshine, is the perfect primary color yellow. Now number 249, Royal Blue, and look how shiny it is. Next one, number 208, Highlight, and it really has the perfect name because it is truly a highlighter yellow color. Then we have Aquamarine, and it is so creamy. I love it. Now, if you're looking for a gold glitter, you really need this one. It is number 189, Gold Mine. Number 227, Mauve, is another super creamy color. Next one is number 240, Rosy, followed by number 206, Blew Me Away. And isn't this one the perfect primary color blue? And the last one, but not the least, number 236, Milk Chocolate. I have been wanting to get my hands on this color forever, and I'm so happy that I got it. Look how beautiful it is. So that's it for this haul video, and I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments which of all these goodies are your favorites, and if you would like to have an extensive review on some of these, please let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.